it's me, Miss Alaina. So today I'm coming to you live from my she shed. I finally got it cleaned up so I can sit in here and do videos. It's amazing. Now I have access to all the crafty stuff so we can make silly videos forever and ever. Amen. So today's video is going to be how to make cupcake liner flowers, okay? So you're going to need a couple different items to make these. You can use different things and we can go through that, but I'm going to start with what I have here. So you're going to need pipe cleaners. You're going to need cupcake liners, like the little cups that you can put a cupcake in. I have Halloween ones right now. That's all I have, so that's where we're going. And you can also, if you have buttons, you can use buttons to top them. These are what they're going to look like. How fun is this little bouquet? And it's all made with just cupcake liners. See, there's one that has a button. It's very silly. I love it. And it would be perfect on your table for springtime. So, let's get started. I'll switch to the overhead view and I'll show you what we got to do. All right, ladies, here is the overhead view of what we're going to be using. Obviously, like I said, the cupcake liners, just the things you bake cupcakes in. Super awesome. You're going to need some scissors. I also have these little tiny scissors to poke a little hole if the pipe cleaner doesn't poke through. So just an extra option. We'll see how it goes. I got my little bowl of buttons and the pipe cleaners. I'm going to grab one of these really fun pipe cleaners right here. I'm just going to, pipe cleaners, my bad, cupcake liners. And, pull them apart. Okay, so you're going to want to fold it in half. All right. Now, you don't have to cut these, but I always just think it's super fun to cut them. You can just stack them and make them look all silly however you want. But I'm going to cut it. So you start with folding it in half and making little U shapes, just like flower petals. Now you folded it in half, so it's going to cut through to both sides. Now we can open it back up. And it looks like a flower. How fun is that? Okay, so you can save this for extra pieces later on. So you're going to want to repeat this process probably about 3 or 4 times for each flower. So let's get started on that. All right, now I've got 4 pieces here. So the next step is going to be to grab a pipe cleaner. Now you can also cut these out, however you want. You want, different, triangles instead of the little half circles. Do that. Get creative. Do whatever you want to do. So you're going to want to stack these now. Grab one. Let's see. I'm going to alternate, y'all. 2, 3, and then 4, okay? So after you've got them stacked all together, all 4 on top of each other, come from the bottom, which is the, the print that's not going to have anything on it, the side, and then try to push it through. Oh, see, it should really go through. Okay, see? So now it is pushed through, okay? And then this is the optional part. I mean, I have buttons, so I'm going to use them. But grab a button, go in one side, then pull it up, and then fold the top of the pipe cleaner and go through the other side of the button. And then push it through the cupcake liner. Now this might be the tricky part, so let's see if we can do it. Oh, there it goes. You just kind of got to give it a little bit of help. All right, straighten that out. Pull it all the way through so that you've got the button on top. And now you've got the 4 different ones. You can kind of fold them up a little bit. You can fold them down. It's totally up to you how you want to do it. I think that they look fun folded up. And then you can kind of twist it around to make sure that each one is showing. How jazzy is that? So now we're going to flip it over, and we've got these 2 pieces that are coming out the back, right? One's a little bit longer than the other. So you're going to want to take it, hold your paper, and twist it closed, okay? Twist it closed. And then if it's got a little bit extra hanging down there, just take that and kind of twist it around so that it's laying flat. And there you have it. Look how fabulous that is. I love it so much. See, let's put it in here. I mean, you could tell a little bit of the difference with these silly flowers. But I like it. It's super easy to do, you know? So show me how you guys are going to make these, and let me see your bouquets on your table. I hope you guys had a fabulous time, and I'll see you next time. Bye, ladies.